the MAC eyebrow. So I'll just go ahead and do it. I am not a makeup guru, but I do try my best to scrub out really nicely. I do. So I'm just going to put my eyebrow on. I don't know the reason why I do my eyebrow first. I think it just literally worked for me. So this is the reason why I do my eyebrow first. I'm just going to go ahead and put my concealer, guys. Trying before I didn't used to do concealer, but now I'm getting better with my concealer. I'm absolutely getting better, which is great, which is good. Perhaps I am starting to put effort. Oh, I've got a cup of tea here. Oh, that's nice. So guys, I think I'm happy with this. I'm just going to go ahead and put my foundation. So today I'll be using the Lancome. I've been using Lancome for, I don't know, for a long time now. So I really love this makeup. It's one of my fave. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab that everywhere. Yeah, the reason why I like doing my concealer first, you know, I think with my foundation, it sort of corrects the harshness of the foundation, correct the harshness of the foundation, of the concealer, if it makes sense. So my foundation corrects the harshness of the concealer. Anyway, that's just my own theory. So blend. I'll try and blend in properly. So I'm just going to highlight the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and just with a little bit of concealer here just to highlight the bottom of my eyes. Oh, I don't know, I just use random brush for my makeup. If it's convenient, it does the trick. This is the same brush that I use for my eye brow. Oh, I just find it really useful. You know, I just do some weird stuff like that. I know, like all the makeup gurus, they'll be like, what is she doing? It just works. So I'm just going to go ahead with this. So this is the Smashbox contour palette. So this is what I'm going to be using. So I'll use this for get a bit of cheekboning. So this for my cheek a bit, and that just to highlight the bottom a little bit and my T-zone as well. So just watch what I'm going to do. So I'll highlight the bottom a little bit. I don't want to have it. I just do like proper lazy makeup. I don't like, yeah. Some people, they could spend hours doing their makeup. I am not a makeup guru, but at the end, you guys can be the judge. Tell me what you think of this, of my look. Tell me what you think. I don't like a nice bright under eye. I don't really want people to see tired eyes. So yeah, so far this is blend. Oh, I love the feeling of brush. Just really light. You just blend everything in. So I'll blend the side of my nose just to give a bit of shadow. Just to give a bit of shadow there. And I'll just work that in as well. I'm using this MAC palette. I really love this MAC palette. It's really good for like this kind of look that I'm aiming, the autumnal look. So it's a good palette. I really like it, and the colors are nice and warm colors. Yeah, I love it. So I'm going to start with that, with this color here. Then I'm going on here above my crease. I'm going to use this color. Then I'll go with the dark color, then just a little hint of that color just at the bottom bit, just to pop my eyes, but I will show you as I go. So I'll use this brush. So guys, I'll be using this color first. Blend, 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 blend. Blending is key, remember? I'm loving my eyes. Easy to be a woman, honestly. I'm using this Lancome eyeliner just to give it a little bit of. I'll just go with a bit of mine. I'll just go with this again. I'll go with this again. So I'll just go with this again. This is my Lancome, just to put some wings. Lancome mascara, so I'm just going to use that. For years now, I haven't used lashes for years, so I'm really rubbish with lashes that I can't be bothered. So this is chestnut. I'm just going to use chestnut to line my lip. For my lip. So this is the 975, is the Divine Wine Matte. So I'll be using Maybelline for my lips. Let's do it. So I'm going to go with my blushes and my highlighter. Let's do some funky stuff to this face. I'm talking as if I don't have energy. I just think it's just because of the weather. It's just so rubbish outside. But I do have energy. I am popping. I'm loving this look. Trust me. So I'm going to go with my blushes. I'm going to go with my... I'm going to use this. So... yeah. Then I'm going to use my highlighter. So I'm using the 07 from Boots, just to highlight my cheek, just a little bit, not too much. I don't know why. Just going to go a little bit at the end of my nose there. Going to highlight this place. Now just put a little bit here. Then I'll take my brush again and everything in. I am not a makeup guru, but you know what, I've done a bloody good job. Yeah, leave your comment down below and tell me what you think. Until next time, everybody, I'll see you guys until next time.